Warm welcome to my channel. And today I ordered the new Mac Mini M4, and this is my experience as an first or newbie to unboxing this nice little box or containing the Mac Mini M4. So let's get started. There are some thoughts that I want to share along while opening it. That when I ordered this, I had few goals in mind. The first goal, because I'm a teacher, so I wanted to do some content creation, and for that I need a bit of a machine because my goals included that I should be doing some video editing, but also some 3D model making and rendering it in Blender. So these were the primary goals that I focused on, and these are the goals that I'm going to look after, okay, in this entire process of making content for the students. And majorly, just to give you a brief intro about myself, I'm a teacher who takes the keen interest in physics. And look at that beauty of Mac Mini, this white box, with this clean and minimalistic design. It looks so damn premium. Just the box even looks so damn premium. It will be fun working in it and creating content in it. Alright, so let's get it opening. Okay, so let's get my hands on it, and alright, let's steer these sides. There goes the first one. There it is. And there we peel off the second one. Alright, so okay, done. Alright, so now, okay, let's see. So here we have this Mac Mini Apple M4 chip. Why did I go for the M4 chip? Because it's a powerful chip right now. Okay, it just does the work very seamlessly. And there we have this beautiful rectangular, not actually rectangular, shape, device. Absolutely beautiful. This gray and the black logos look so good. Just so coming back to the same point, that why do I need the machine? Why did I take this one, and why am I doing this all unboxing thing? Well, few things first. I want to take my content creation to a different zone altogether. So my basic goal was to create a content in physics. But in physics there are various types. There is experimental physics and there is a theoretical physics. But to explain either of the one, especially to explain the complex topics to the students, it requires a lot of visualization. And visualization has moved from the 2D or diagram based explanation to your 3D explanations. So that was one of my first concern to buying this machine. My second concern included how do I manage my multiple works. So for example, if I wanted to create test papers, if I wanted to have or how do I create or be innovative in terms of my test papers. Just to give you a heads up, everything requires a lot of work, even down to creating questions. What should be the level of the questions and everything, that stuff. Apart from that, to create even PPT presentation, now especially, the world has gone towards more of 3D presentation. Okay, so to show 3D models even down to the PPT level, not just in the videos. Videos are one thing, but to show live on the in front of the class, and to make the class more and more interactive. So for that also I needed this machine, because to create any sort of 3D models, I need to have that powerful machine so that it can run very smoothly my PPT presentation. And if I were to write or scribble something on the screen, I can very easily do that. So these were the following goals. Now, as a teacher, what are the things that I am looking for? So first things first, I was looking for better GPUs, so that they can process the image very well. And the more number of GPUs you have, the more firepower you actually have. So the more the merrier. So that was the goal. CPUs are generally good for handling multiple tasks. GPUs are the real game changer when it comes to video editing, when it comes to 3D render, as far as my knowledge goes. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comment section. Alright, so now let's fire this device up, and we will set it up afterwards. So let's plug it in, and I'm so damn excited to make it work. So let's see where it goes actually. But all of these things. Alright, so there goes my plugin. Let's switch it on. Okay, so it's not on. Maybe must be some power button. Let's see that and tap it open. Alright, let's power it on from here. And there starts blinking the light. I can see it from the side. Let me show it to you. Okay, so here it is, right? Light starts blinking, that means it has started up. So let's connect my monitor as well. And so alright, so let's see where it goes. And after connecting it to my monitor, I'll be firing it up. Okay, so there is the sidebar. Okay, so this is the external connection. So to connect not actually USB, it is Apple keyboard. I already had those, so that's why I connected these two. Alright, let me set it up and then we meet once again. Okay, so alright, so this is done. This is the look of the first screen, and all the apps are stacked up, and there is the beautiful machine. By the way, I am done with the finishing up my entire work. Alright, so thank you so much for tuning in, and please leave a like